everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to do my plan with me and my personal planner, and I'm going to be using this cute Happy Easter weekly kit, or Hoppy Easter weekly kit that I got from Adorably Amy Designs, and it is super cute. And we are going to be planning the very last week of March. I did not plan this week, first time ever, but oh well, life happens. So this is the last week of March and the first day of April, which is also Easter. So I like to start this planner with a piece of washi down the middle. If I can find where this washi starts. And I'm just going to be using this for my YouTube and for my Stampin' Up! So this is all the washi I need for this planner. And then she has day stickers on here, so I'm going to write in the date on each one of these. The 26th, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 1. And I'll put those down first. Why I started with Friday, I have no idea. Weirdo. Let's do this in some sort of order, shall I? 26, 27, 28, 29, and then 31 and 1. And then I'm going to put my weekly goals up here on this side. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in one of these on each of these days. I guess I'll go this way. Oh, why did I do it that way? 2. This one says Happy Easter, so I am going to put that one on Easter. Surprise, surprise. I'm going to use this one. And this one. Oh, I'm putting those on the wrong side. That one. That one. I thought it looked funny, but I don't know when I was doing it. I just did it anyway. Okay, and then I'm going to put a today and a to-do on every other day. So if I put today to-do, because I grabbed 3 of them, and I kind of like the green color better, so I use this one for the fewer. Today, to do, today, to do, today, to do, today, to do, today. And then I need 4 of the to-dos. And I like to go every other color, and usually I base it on whatever color of the little check boxes are, but since they're all kind of mixed up with different pastels, it doesn't really matter. I'll just try, but I won't succeed. Well, I might. Not to put the same color down for each of these. So like if that's a green header, I'll try not to put a green checklist. Yellow header, you know. And then the pink one won't matter. And then the green one can go here. yellow, and pink, and green. Yeah, I did it. Yay! I'm going to put a weekend sticker here, and I'm going to put Sunday Fun Day on Easter, and Planet on Thursday, and Payday on Friday, and I think that's all of those. And then I think I'm going to put my little Easter bunny, girl and boy. Oh no, they're two girls. My little Easter bunnies and the little chicken family. That's cute. Little watering can. A tree. And some butterflies. I think I'll just put a couple of those around the tree. And I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's eggs in the grass. Very hard to tell. But let's put that right there. And I'll put this butterfly here. And I think that's everything. So I'm going to turn it to a week that I actually did so I can know what to put on here. I need to put comments. I went to the Dollar Tree and I didn't get any craft, so I'm going to put Dollar Tree craft. Hopefully I will actually get that done. I need to do a live video. I'd like to record with my daughter, Katie, while she's here. I need to do some tips. And I need to send out some thank yous. So let's distribute that. Comments. 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 And comments. And then I need to do a live. Maybe I'll do that on this day. Since I'm off this day from my regular job, maybe I can do a live. Or maybe if Katie wants to do a live with me, I could do it earlier. I don't know if she'll want to or not. And I need to do some tip videos for sure. Tip videos. If any of you guys have any tips that you'd like to leave me, please do. I'd love to give you credit and share your tip. Oh, this is Easter. I'm probably not going to get to it. So I think I'll put it up here too. And I'm going to put a recording sticker here. And then I'm going to put upload and download on some of these. Let's do upload here. And let's put a download here. Or no, here. And let's do one of these to mark filming here. And I think that's everything. And there we go. That's what the week will look like. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will talk with you soon. Bye-bye.